We got the whole pack. What is up, gang? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. Let's go! We are freaking out here right now. We got a whole little squad. I just stole my bike. We're at this new place. It's like a new lot with trails and it's like an abandoned neighborhood pretty much. You boys need to pop it up! We got the 450.
Let's see MotoBroo on some Banshee for the vlog.
You let me ride it?
Yeah, dog.
Oh, let's go, bro. Of course, bro.
You got that Banshee work, man?
To be honest, I don't know.
Except be honest, I don't know.
I got the two-stroke work, but I don't know if a Banshee work.
That's the thumbnail right there.
Yeah, riding first time. Well, I think I've ridden one before, but it's been a while. Hold it, bro.
There you go, my boy.
Let's get it. Is kickstart?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, okay. Anything I need to know before I take it for a spin?
She hits.
She hits? Well, let's go. All right.
You got it, man.
Yo, the audio messed up on this part, but pretty much I'm trying to wheelie this freaking Banshee, and this thing is gnarly. As you see, it hits, bro. They weren't lying, dude. And I do think this is the first Banshee I've ever ridden. Hey, look at homie swagging. But yeah, I think this is the first Banshee I've ever at least wheelied that I know of. I might be wrong, but look at me, bro. I'm swagging right now. Let's get it. Alright. Sorry, the audio is a little loud here. Holy. Bro, you make it look so easy, dude. That's hard.
Practice, bro. Practice, bro. Trust.
And like the thumb control, it's like, it's way different. I'm used to that throttle. Let's go. Hey! What happened to the rear fender?
I fell on the street when I was trying to wheelie.
Trying to wheelie. Hey, you gotta use the rear brake.
Not brake, yeah.
Yeah, the rear brake, okay.
I call it, I don't know. But I ain't gonna lie, once I had my accident a while back, I don't ride like I ride.
No, yeah, I feel that. I'm the same way. What the? You got a sock on here, bro?
Yeah, cause my fucking grips are shot.
You don't like wearing gloves? No? Interesting. I never seen anyone put a sock on their grip. Hey, to each their own. We got Bory Girl out here. Whee! Swagging. We got the homie on the YZ. Let's go. Swagging. Busting it, bro. Bro, hey, when I was entering here, a big ass beetle flew in my car and hit my head, bro. That shit almost knocked me out, bro. Yeah.
I get racks, Louis backpack on my back. I put this.
We got Bory Girl out here, all the way from PR. I think PR. I might, maybe not, but who knows. Let's go. Switching the foot. That's what we're talking about. We got homie in the back. Let's go. Bro, of course I pop out here and I have a fucking flat, bro. What the hell? Yeah, MotoBroo.
Moto?
Yeah.
That's why I see you on.
You follow?
Bro.
You want to say something to the camera quick? We out here, bro.
Shout out to my bro, for a bike life.
Bike life, we out here. Bro, I got a flat right now, so every 5 minutes I gotta pump my shit up. Jeez. Sucks. Don't get Shinkos. Yo, bro, if anyone needs a jet ski, a brand new Wave Runner 2022, first we got you. Yeah. It's a mudding out here. Hey, did the cops see you or no?
I don't really know. Because I fucking skirted in there and there's people there and he's like, go. I'm like,
yeah.
he skirted out of there.
What is this? 250 or?
250.
250? You do any wheelies on it or no?
Oh, I can, but I just don't really like it.
No, yeah. He's on his freaking quad. There's cops like all around us. And we're just freaking YOLO in it, bruh. It's like, dude, we're on trails. You feel me? She's like, you want to go to the mud pit? I'm like, didn't you say the freaking feds are there? Swag on homie real quick. Let's see if I get a little. Oh my god. Yeah, the wheel skate in the grass ain't gonna really work out. Alright, we're in sketch zone right now, if y'all were wondering. This is hot boy zone. I don't know why he wanted to take me here, because he literally told me the freaking feds are over here. And I'm like, hey. We gotta be quiet, bro. He's like, yo, they might be over here.
Be careful.
Hey, you too, man.
Run if you see them. Yeah, they live there. They're homeless people. They stay there during the night and just head out.
What? So they're living there?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Bro, we both heard a car and we're like, alright, we're fucking out of here, bro. We ain't. Ah! Holy, that's funny, dude. We both heard like a car coming into the trail and we're like, oh, bro, we're out. Alrighty gang, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Shout out this lot, bro. It reminds me so much of the old lot we used to go to, but that lot's been sketchy. We would have been getting kicked out. But yeah, we merged in the description down below. I freaking love you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time. Peace.